Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Smartsheet and wondered, how do I quickly select multiple rows at once without clicking them one by one? You're in exactly the right place. Today I'm going to show you the simplest, most effective way to select multiple rows in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating your sheets faster and saving yourself tons of clicks, which means more time for your actual work and a lot less frustration. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Smartsheet in your web browser. Now, I know this sounds obvious, but making sure you're logged into the right workspace is key. If you have lots of different sheets, just make sure you're on the exact one where you want to make your selections. Once your sheet is open, take a look at the far left side of your spreadsheet. This is where you'll see the numbering column. Each row is numbered, and this column isn't just for show. It's actually your main tool for selecting rows in Smartsheet. Think of it like the handles on a row. If you want to grab a row, this is where you do it. To select a single row, all you have to do is click on the row number itself. Let's say you want to select row 4, just hover your mouse over the little 4 on the left and click. The entire row will highlight, which means it's officially selected. Super straightforward. Now here, where things get powerful, selecting multiple rows at once. Instead of painstakingly clicking each row one at a time, Smartsheet, like many spreadsheet tools, lets you select a range in just a couple of clicks. Here, what you do, click on the first row number where you want your selection to start then, and this is the magic. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. With Shift held down, click on the row number at the end of the range you want to select. Smartsheet will instantly highlight all the rows in between, including your starting and ending rows. It's kind of like highlighting a long section of text. You pick where you want to start, hold Shift and pick where to finish, and everything in between gets selected. If you've ever used Shift plus click in other programs, like Excel or even when selecting files on your computer, this will feel really familiar. It's a great little trick to know, especially if you're dealing with a big project plan or a long list of tasks and need to move, copy, or delete multiple rows at once. Don't worry if you accidentally click the wrong row, just click again and try, and Smartsheet will update your selection instantly. And that's really all there is to it. By using the numbering column on the left and the Shift key for multiple selection, you can quickly manage your rows without wasting loads of time. I hope this short tutorial helps you get even more efficient with your Smartsheet workflow. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see more Smartsheet tips and tricks, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more super simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.